This is the Umidigi A11 Pro Max, a budget flagship from Umidigi which costs $170, which comes with 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage, the Helio G80 6.8 Full HD Plus display, so the specs here are insane for that price. Also a 5150 mAh battery, Android 11. So yeah, specs here look great. And alright, nice presentation already. So we have the 8 gig of RAM variant, I believe. No way, we have a matte glass finish. Alright, and metal sides. So yeah, this phone feels very premium in the hand. I might even keep this. I'm not that impressed with this phone. In the box, we have this pamphlet for our SIM ejector tool, power brick, power cable, Type-C, the usual. So pretty much the usual stuff we get in the box, but that is fine with me. So first impressions, wow, look at that display. So the Punch kind of has that effect where it's still like kind of dark around it, but you don't see it that much. The bottom bezel is really small compared to previous phones. So yeah, the bezels here, look at that. Just look at that. All right, I'm gonna set this up and get back to you. All right, so of course I have a fingerprint unlock on this phone. And as expected, it's over here on the side, yes. And there we go, first impressions, that display, just wow, cannot get over that display. And the size, I just absolutely love the size of this phone. It's nice and very quick. All right, I see we also have face unlock. All right, first up, fingerprint unlock. We have no vibration whatsoever when unlocking the device, which to be honest, it's kind of missing for me. But the fingerprint unlock overall works decently. Now face unlock. Okay, face unlock is even faster, I see. Cool. Okay, fingerprint unlock, decent. Face unlock, very quick. So yeah. So the knife edge runs perfectly. Didn't even disable ads yet. It went router as well as 60 FPS. Very smooth gameplay. Alright, so far it's looking pretty good.
Form up on me.
No, I'm not gonna form up on you, but let's just keep walking around. And yeah, these are the highest graphics already. It doesn't support HDR.
I got supplies.
I don't care. Yeah, no lag, no stutter, walking around, running. Alright, so I think it's safe to say that gaming on this phone is gonna be great. So the speaker actually is very decent, slightly better than average. So the quality is overall decent. The loudness, maybe it doesn't get the loudest, but it does get pretty loud still, and the clarity, and there's even a bit of bass, and we even have a headphone jack. So the rear camera is gonna come preset to 12 megapixels, but we're gonna try the 48 megapixel option. And our selfie cam is 24 megapixels, rear video full HD, front video also full HD. So yeah, first selfie. Let's go outside. Rear facing video. Let's try to find something better to focus on. There you go. And front-facing video. So yeah, that is pretty much it. So should you buy this phone? And I'm gonna say if you can find it for around 170 bucks, then I think it's actually pretty worth it. Because the build quality, very premium. They could have done plastic, but they nope. This is very premium instead. The display is excellent, speakers good, cameras are great. Just a lot going for this phone. Only thing I'm worried about is longevity, but I think this should last like a year or two. So yeah, if you have any questions, leave it in the comments and I will see you in the next video. Peace.